Here we go. CNC group rate number 2703. We have the 1213 certified and the 1112 certified. We got a rookie for the Dallas Stars, number to 999, Ryan Garbutt. We got a fabric of the game jersey, number to 299, Chris Kunitz for the Penguins. Chris Kunitz. RBI will be tomorrow. We got a path to the cup, which will be a random between LA and Vancouver, number to 399, Jared Stoll and Daniel Sedin. For the Edmonton Oilers, certified stars, number to 999, Jordan Eberle. And a path to the cup, number to 99, between the New Jersey Devils and Flyers, Zach Parise, James Van Riemsdyk. That was a trade, wasn't it, that team? We've got a goalie polls for the Maple Leafs, James Reimer. Ilya Kovalchuk for the New Jersey Devils. Goalie polls jersey number to 25 for the Dallas Stars, Kari Lehtinen. Mass Marvels for the Vancouver Canucks, number to 999, Corey Schneider. We got a certified signatures, Corey Trupp for the Buffalo Sabres. We've got an Ilya Bryzgalev for the Philadelphia Flyers Masked Marvels. We got for the Winnipeg Jets freshman signatures, Paul Postma. We've got a mirror red dual number to 199 of Tim Thomas for the Boston Bruins. Base. We have an Eternals for the Edmonton Oilers of Bill Ranford. Ooh. We've got for the Montreal Canadiens a Stickum number 2 short print, 6 of 10, Andre Kostitsyn. 6 of 10 for the Montreal Canadiens, Andre Kostitsyn. That's not an easy one to get. Immortals of Joe Sakic, number to 500 for the Colorado Avalanche. Number to 25, fabric of the game die-cut jersey, Chris Pronger. Chris Pronger. Base and last pack. We've got for the New Jersey Devils, number to 25, Ilya Kovalchuk.